Hi, this is Jim Bottrell, broker and founder of Ardent Real Estate Services, Jim Bottrell team. You know, this is that real estate team that does all the great charity work for wounded veterans and, of course, the kids over at Rady's Children's Hospital. Wounded veterans, I'm a combat veteran myself, so I know how hard that is to come back and after being through that, and how hard it is to be back in society. And, of course, the kids over at Rady's Children's Hospital, I have 3 kids, so I jokingly say I have season passes at Rady. So they do a lot of great work for kids over there, so we try and raise as much as we possibly can. Anyway, the reason I'm sending this video is I want to tell you about a new listing we have. This one is in Vista. This is a nice 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. It's almost 2,000 square feet. It's aggressively priced starting at just under $500,000. This has a paid-for solar system, so no more power bills. That's great. It has dual-pane windows, granite countertops, has additional office workplace in the back of the home, so that's always a nice little extra Benny right there. So maybe you're thinking of buying this house and you're thinking, I need to sell my house in order to buy this house, and you're stuck in that catch-22. Well, you know, congratulations, you're every seller we have. It's not something we ever really have a problem with because we have a trade-up guarantee. So if you like my listing and you have a house to sell, you call me, Jim Bottrell, the Bottrell team. We can either guarantee the sale of your home or outright buy your home so that you can make a non-contingent offer on this house. You don't see satisfaction guarantees like that very much. We try and help everybody because we sell more homes. It means we can do more to help people sell their homes. Also remember the Bottrell team's buyer satisfaction guarantee. You buy any home through the Bottrell team or buy one of the Bottrell team's listings and you're going to get an 18-month buyer satisfaction guarantee. It means if you don't love that home in 18 months, you go ahead and just give me a call and I'll buy that house back. If you're thinking of selling a home, call me, Jim Bottrell, the Bottrell team. Your home is sold guaranteed, or I'll buy it myself. Call me and start packing.